English Team. Presents. English World Course Workbook. Unit 3. Reading and Model Answers. From page 22 to page 31.
We are going to start. Let's listen to and answer page 22. The exercises deal with reading and vocabulary section.
1. Reading comprehension and vocabulary. 1. Fly. Sleep. Hoot. Fish. Slowly. 2. Owl. Heron. Polluted. Weaver. Bird. Spoonbill. 3. Feather. Fish. Beak. Wing. Eyes. 4. Nest. Nocturnal. Egg. Hatch. Chick. 5. Twig. Noisy. Branch. Grass. Plants.
2. Write the name of the bird. A. Arabian owl. B. Giant heron. C. Weaver bird. Now match the description to the picture. Write the letter. They have long beaks like spoons to fish small animals out of water. The beak has an orange edge. They look similar to herons but they're not so big. D. They are very high and their wings are 200 centimeters wide. They are very noisy. They live near water and eat fish. B. They are bright yellow and small. They make amazing nests from grass and palm leaves. C. It isn't very big. It has big yellow eyes and light brown feathers. It is nocturnal. 3. Match the words in the box with the definitions. Nocturnal. Hoot. Twig. Branch. Hatch. Write the words. You may check in the dictionary. 1. Part of a tree that grows from the trunk. Branch. 2. Active at night. Nocturnal. 3. Small shoot that grows from a branch. Twig. 4. Emerge from an egg. Hatch. 5. Noise made by an owl. Hoot.
We are going to listen to and answer page 23. The exercises deal with the vocabulary section.
Study skills. How many legs? Draw lines. And after that write the words. No legs. Snake. Whale. Shark. 2 legs. Baby. Penguin. Goose. 4 legs. Horse. Lion. 8 legs. Spider.
Write the words in the correct order. 1. Bird. Gull. Swan. Heron. Owl. 2. Wing. Feather. Beak. Nest. Eggs. 3. Fly. Swim. Dive. Jump. Catch. And now here is the answer. 1. Bird. Gull. Heron. Owl. Swan. 2. Beak. Eggs. Feather. Nest. Wing. 3. Catch. Drive. Fly. Jump. Swim.
This time we are going to listen to and answer page 24. This time it is a kind of grammar practice.
Grammar. 1. Write sentences. 1. Polite. The girl is more polite than the woman. 2. Expensive. The ring is more expensive than the watch. 3. Frightened. The cat is more frightened than the mouse. 4. Beautiful. The swan is more beautiful than the duck.
2. Make sentences. 1. The swan is the most beautiful bird in there. 2. Animals ocean. Are most whales the fantastic the inn? 3. School. Is most at interesting science the subject? 4. Is this most shop? Exciting game the computer in there? 1. The swan is the most beautiful bird in the world. 2. Whales are the most beautiful animals in the ocean. 3. Science is the most interesting school subject. 4. This is the most exciting game in the shop.
In page 25. We still with grammar. But this time, it is grammar in conversation.
Grammar in conversation. 1. Write sentences. Use as. 1. Mark is as old as Simon. 2. The box is as heavy as the bag. 3. The tree is as tall as the house. 4. The snake is as long as the crocodile.
2. Write sentences. Use not as. With the words from the box. Happy. Beautiful. Tall. 1. The rabbit is not as beautiful as the rat. 2. The elephant is not as tall as the giraffe. 3. The motorbike is not as fast as the car. 4. The man is not as happy as the boy.
Phonics is the science of sounds. Let's identify and practice a new sound. This is in page 26.
Phonics. Remember, in some words the letters EA sound like a short E. EA. The swan's head is white. 1. Write EA. Write the words head, bread, spread, thread, feather, weather. Now read the words. 2. Match and write the words spread, weather, thread, head, bread, feather.
3. Complete the sentences. Use the words from exercise 1. Use the correct form. 1. Grandpa wears his glasses on his head. 2. Grandma is mending my skirt and she is using blue thread. 3. We found a long white feather in the swan's nest. 4. Faisal spreads butter on his bread. 5. What is there? Weather going to be like tomorrow? 6. Our baker makes delicious bread.
This time we are going to know the difference between so and because. For more details and practice, follow me to page 27.
Use of English. Read this. Spoonbills can catch tiny water animals. Their beak is long and wide like a spoon. Spoonbills can catch tiny water animals because their beak is long and wide like a spoon. Spoonbills can catch tiny water animals. Their beak is long and wide like a spoon. The information is in 2 sentences. They tell you 2 facts about spoonbills. These sentences can be joined using because. Spoonbills can catch tiny water animals because their beak is long and wide like a spoon. The information is in 1 sentence. It tells you why spoonbills can catch tiny water animal. To join the sentences using because. Check the capital letters and full stops. 1. You can't see Arabian owls in the branches of trees. They have light brown. You can't see Arabian owls in the branches of trees. Because they have light brown feathers as camouflage. 2. Giant herons always live near water. They eat fish. Giant herons always live near water. Because they eat fish.
3. Read. Arabian owls are nocturnal. They fly at night. The information is in 2 sentences. They tell you 2 things about Arabian owls. They can be joined using so. Arabian owls are nocturnal, so they fly at night. The information is in one sentence. It tells you why Arabian owls fly at night. 4. Join the sentences using so. 1. Giant herons are very big. Their nests are large. Giant herons are very big. So their nests are large. People are using water for irrigation. So there is less water for the spoonbills.
Writing is an essential skill in English. So let's prepare ourselves to write well. So please let's visit page 28. There we can know more.
Writing preparation. Look at the pictures. Talk about what ducks do. They swim in the river. They swim in a clever way. They make their nests. They use twigs. They lay eggs. They chase fish. They catch some fish. Students talk about the ducks using their own ideas.
To write notes. They live near water, on ponds, river, or seas. Make nests from grass, twigs, plants. Their nests are near water. Lay eggs from 4 to 6 eggs. Eat grass, snail, weeds, fish. Can fly on land, on water. Can swim and put their heads in water.
Now you are ready to write. For more details, come with me to page 29.
Composition practice. Write the labels with the words from the box. Duckling, egg, nest, feather, webbed foot, long beak, strong wings.
Ducks live near water on ponds, river or seas. They make nests from grass, twigs or plants. Their nests are near water. They lay from 4 to 6 eggs. They can fly on land or on water. They can also swim and put their heads in water. Little ducks are called ducklings. I love them.
Before saying goodbye, let's pay a visit to pages 30 and 31, where we can meet Checkup section. There we can check our understanding of the unit.
1. Complete the sentences with a word from each box. Happy, expensive, old. 1. Tom is as old as Pete. 2. Jane is as happy as Pam. 3. The watch is as expensive as the ring.
To write sentences. The car is more expensive than the boat. Dangerous. The snake is more dangerous than the cat. Frightened. The man is more frightened than the boy.
3. Write sentences. Beautiful. The cat is the most beautiful. Difficult. Some bee is the most difficult. Enormous. The elephant is the most enormous animal.
Look at the men. Think about the questions. 1. Is Abdullah tiny or enormous? 2. Is Azam more enormous than Kareem? 3. Which men is the most enormous? 4. Is Abdullah as polite as Kareem? 5. Is Azam as polite as Abdullah and Kareem?
2. Write about the men. Abdullah is tiny. Azam is more enormous than Abdullah. Kareem is the most enormous. Abdullah is as polite as Kareem. Azam is more polite than Abdullah and Kareem.